Does cracking knuckles cause arthritis?
Many people believe that cracking your knuckles can lead to arthritis. But is this true? Let's explore what science has discovered about this common habit and its long-term impact on joint health.
What happens when you crack your knuckles?
The popping sound of cracked knuckles comes from bubbles forming and collapsing in the fluid inside your joints. Scientists call this process cavitation. It does not involve bones grinding together, but rather changes in the pressure within the joint.
Examining the scientific evidence.
Multiple studies have investigated whether knuckle cracking relates to arthritis. So far, research has not found any strong link between the two. Long-term studies, including those tracking people over decades, show no increased risk of arthritis in frequent knuckle crackers.
Are there any risks to cracking knuckles?
While cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis, it can occasionally lead to other minor issues. For some, repetitive cracking may cause swelling or reduced grip strength, but these effects are generally mild and temporary.
The bottom line on knuckle cracking.
Based on current scientific research, cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. If you enjoy popping your knuckles and experience no pain, you can likely continue without worry. However, if you have joint pain or other concerns, consult a healthcare professional.